Wat-wat is a traditional communal feast from the Cordillera, especially among the Igorot communities. It is usually prepared during important occasions such as celebrations, rituals, weddings, and community gatherings. The process starts with the butchering of a pig, where the meat is carefully cut into portions. Unlike the ordinary dishes, wat-wat is cooked by boiling with salt.
Akala mo, simpleng handaan lang? Hindi! Wat-wat to. Ang bawat hiwa ng karne ay hindi lang paghahanda. Ito ay bayanihan. Hiwa, halo, pakulo. Simple sa paningin, pero may lalim na kahulugan. Sabay-sabay na kilos, walang mataas at walang mababa. Lahat ay bahagi dito.
Nanabatas na minsan, sinparadaan dilugan.
Gandahan sa celebration na may wat-wat. Kapag hindi nyo naubot, pwede nyo i-take out. At magkita-kita tayo sa susunod na vlog. Bye!